Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to sine x. Later that we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have du equal to cosine x dx. So this one we change by u, this one we change by u, cosine x dx we change by du. Next, about number 2, we can put into 1 plus 1, and we can see that this is about identity. So this one we can change into u plus 1 to the power of 2. Now, we can use about integration by hyperbolic substitution. So I will put about u plus 1 equals to sin t, because if I put this one go in here, we have sin t square plus 1, we have cos t squared. Later that we simplify the square root. Next, we do first the derivative for the both sides. This one we got number 1. This one that is about the constant. So you got 0. So we have du, because number 1 in here. This one first the derivative of sin t, we have cos t dt. Now I will put this one go in here. Du we change by this one. So this one we have cos t squared. The square root of cos t squared, we have cos t. So cos t and cos t, we have cos t squared. Now we have the formula in here. So we change this one into cos 2t plus 1 over 2. Now I will put this one go in here. So number 2 I will put outside. The integration of cos 2t, we have 1 over 2 sin 2t. Number 1 that is about t, and I will put about c. About t that is about this one. So we have t equals to arcsin of u plus 1. So I will put this one to change for t. About u that is about sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.